Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. So this video is going to show you guys how I got these super cute nails and how I make my BT Art Box nails look like acrylic and how I also make them look really natural. So first things first, after the application, you guys, I'm going to have a separate application video because I went in detail to give you guys like the insight on how I get my nails to look the way they do. So y'all, right here, I'm going around the cuticle area and I'm removing any excess builder gel that may have, like, overflowed while I was curing it. And I'm just cleaning that off really good with the e-file. And I'm doing this on a low speed. And as you guys can see, I'm taking my time because you don't want to cut yourself because it's going to hurt and it's going to be really uncomfortable. And you can really, like, cause yourself some cuticle damage. So take your time during this step. So I'm just going in with a fine bit and I'm just going around that cuticle. And this is me sealing the cuticle also. So while I'm cleaning it off, I'm also sealing it. That way I don't have any lifting and my nails can last. Typically, I keep my BTR box nails on for about 2 weeks. You can do 30 days, but in my opinion, I like them for 2 weeks. That's just my thing. So this is also an important step. I take some acetone and I'm gonna go around that cuticle area that I just cleaned up, and this is gonna really seep in and seal everything. Now I'm going in again with this Betty Cora 8-in-1 nail gel glue, and y'all, I use this for like everything. I love it. It's literally the best. I have to give me another bottle, but I'm just gonna go ahead and just do one more layer over the top of the nails, and I'm making sure that it's a thick layer. I didn't like swipe it off like I would do with top coat. I'm doing a thick layer just so that I can build some extra strength on the nail so that they can just be a little thicker because I don't like a super duper flat nail. But this part also helps my nails give like acrylic vibes, you know what I mean? So I'm just going in, swiping that in, and I'm gonna let it like self level, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just go to the other side of the brush, and then I'm going to do the same thing, just level it out and balance the nail, drag it down, and then I'm going to go ahead and cure the nails. Alright y'all, so I'm going to go ahead and continue the process. As you guys can see, I'm floating on a lot of the builder gel just so that I can build that strength, and then I'm not going close to the cuticle because we already cleaned that and sealed that. So you do not want to go and go really close to your cuticle because then you're going to have to go in with the e-file again and it's not going to be smooth. So as you guys can see, I left a good amount of distance, and you can see like from the ashy parts of my cuticle that I didn't go onto the cuticle with the builder gel. Again, I'm just building some strength to the nail. Now I'm going to go in and wipe the sides, and I always do that to make sure I can keep my shape. And now I'm going to go in with this Madam Glam holographic chrome gel paint. And y'all, I always like to use like a silver or a glittery base when I'm about to bling out a nail because it just gives it better dimension. You can't see directly through the nail because you would be able to see like the white or clear, whatever it is, underneath the diamonds because you can't like cover every single section of the nail due to the shape of everything being, circular. So you want to keep that in mind. So I'm just going in, and now I'm going in with the 8-in-1 gel. Again, you guys, I use this gel for everything. I apply the tips with it. I use it to build the nail up. I use it to like even apply the rhinestones. Like, it has so many good uses. Definitely check them out. They sent this to me like over a year ago, y'all, and I love their product. So it's from Betty Cora. But anyway, y'all, so now I'm gonna go in and just apply the bling to the nail. So in order for me to keep my French shape, I like to go around the perimeter of the French design first, and then that kind of is like my guide so that it can stay with the French design and not look wonky or different from the other nails. And I'm going in with like the really small nail crystals. So that's how I do it, just so that I could keep the shape and that way I don't have any problems. Then I go with the metal side of this applicator, I don't even know what it's called, and I just, fix it up and make sure it's crisp and neat. And then I just apply the nail charms. Like, look at that, y'all, real clean, and I'm just pushing it into place. fixing it, adjusting it to my liking, adding more diamonds, and then by the time I'm done, it's gonna look like pretty uniform. And you want to just make sure you're careful with this because if you don't keep a steady hand, you'll smash everything. And then next, I'm gonna go in with this Madam Glam Soak Off No Wipe Top Coat. I love this top coat, y'all. It's like the perfect consistency. It's not super duper thick. It's like watery enough. It makes your nail like really shiny. They sent this over to me and I love it. I gotta get me another bottle. It's really really good. I love the consistency. Look at that. It just glides on, super glossy, super smooth. It's not so thick to where it's gonna mess up the shape of your nails or you're gonna get like that peel off. You can get like a perfect thin coat. After I do that, y'all remember cuticles are key. I wipe off any excess polish on my cuticles and I cure the nails. And now y'all look at that. Ooh, it's just looking so good. Now we're gonna just go ahead with the hand file and I'm just gonna crispen up that shape because these are like, gel X or press-ons, whatever you want to call them. So after you apply like, the builder gel and also the top coat, the shape can become a little bit dull. So you just want to go on the edges or free edge of all of them and then just shaping that up and sharpen it because it's gonna make a huge difference. And as you guys can see, like it has like a slight apex to it because I added more builder gel to it. And this is super duper easy to do. If you're looking for like affordable nails, you're trying to find something that you could DIY to save you some money, I would highly recommend BT Art Box. Like they're killing the game when it comes to the press-ons, the gel X, and there's so many different ways to apply it. Like if you want it to be stronger, add builder gel. If you want it to be thicker, you can even go in with the layer of acrylic, and I might do that in one of my upcoming videos. Apply acrylic on the top of it just to make it thicker and see how that works out. Now I'm going in with some cuticle oil because if I don't do that, my hands are gonna definitely give granny. But yeah, y'all, so it's really easy to do. I'm gonna upload a video on how I prep and apply them just so that you guys can have like an in-depth detailed video to show you guys how I get it to look super duper natural because people never believe like these are like press-ons or gel X. They think I did my nails myself and look at that. So cute, so nice, so easy to do. I love it. 10 out of 10, y'all. And this was so fun to do. Like, I love BT Art Box. Like, this is my jam. And I decided to bling out my other finger, y'all, because I just was like, it needs a little bit of more, pizzazz. But this is the final look. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel and comment down below if there's anything that you guys would like me to do a video on. And I'm going to see you guys next time. Love y'all. Bye.